The Turbosmart Gated Boost Control Valve range is one of the best money can get for horsepower upgrades that you can make to your turbocharged petrol or diesel engine vehicle. All Turbosmart Gated Boost Controllers feature our exclusive gate feature, which minimizes wastegate creep and can improve turbo response by up to 800 revolutions per minute earlier in the rev range. This means that you can increase the performance and response from your engine without even raising the maximum boost level.